Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zoe and this is the SoZo Show. Today, I'm going to be making the second half of my Christmas cookies video. So if you haven't already, go ahead and watch that one so you're all caught up, and let's get to it. Alright, so we have our cookie cutters. I found a regular one too, and we're going to use these to cut out our cookies. 10 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Alright, we're going to cut these bad boys and soften them in the oven for a couple seconds. I hope that's how that works. And we're going to mix up all of the butter and make it look creamy. I had to put it in the fridge for a little bit because I accidentally melted it too much. Oops. 3/4 cup brown sugar. Here's the first cup, second cup, third cup, and mix. 2/3 cup molasses. Okay, pop that off. There's 1, 2, and mix. So pretty, oh my goodness. There we have it. 1 large egg. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. There we go. All done with the wet ingredients. 3.5 cups all-purpose flour. Alright, 1 cup going in, second, third, and pour it all into the big bowl. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. There we go. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon ground ginger and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. And then 1/2 teaspoon of ground allspice and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. And there's all the spices. Gonna mix them all up into the flour. I'm gonna slowly add the flour in to the wet ingredients, and that should do it. Gonna mix it with my hands now. Starting to become dough. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm gonna wrap these 2 dough balls up and I'm gonna put them in the fridge for 3 hours to 3 days. There you have it. Oh my goodness, did you see that? Look, got them all cut out. In the oven they go. And then I'm gonna let those cool on a rack, and then I'm gonna make the icing. I'm gonna ice the sugar cookies and the gingerbread men all together. And I'm gonna make the Christmas eyeballs separately. And then after that, it says to preheat the oven for 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook it for about 9 to 10 minutes and then cool off for 5. Alright, now we're going to add the sugar and then the brown sugar and the peanut butter. Okay, now it's time for the egg and mix. Next, add the baking soda, baking powder, and the flour. Almost forgot to add the butter. It was being Glacier and she knocked over like 2. Alright, now it's time to make our cookies. Alright, I'm gonna spread the sugar out on the table to roll the balls in before I put it on the pan to coat it in a layer of sugar. There you have it. Set that there. gonna unwrap the butter and then set it inside the bowl so that way I can soften it a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap the Hershey Kisses. Alright, so I'm gonna mix some sugar into the butter. Then add an egg as well as some vanilla extract. I had to level it out into a different one. Oops. Next, we got our dry ingredients, flour, and then we have baking soda, and then we have baking powder. Mix that up, and then we're gonna add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Now I'm gonna use my hands. Oh my goodness, these are gonna be so good. Play songs by Rhett and Link. Just got these out of the oven, and after they cooled off, here's what they look like.
You see that right there? I made that.
So the first batch didn't turn out so well. They were a little burnt. The second one was pretty good, and I made some gingerbread men to go with the second batch. And there's the layout. I had got some scissors to cut the icing. There's many different colors of icing. There's blue, green, yellow, orange, brown, pink, purple, and black. And then I have my sprinkles. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment down below what other types of videos I should do. Feel free to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a video on my channel. As always, don't forget to dislike this video if you hated it, and I'll see you in the next video.